Hey guys, we're going to give you an update on what's going on here at Restore Muscle Car. First of all, we got this cool chair that Vyper Chairs made for the Bandit Run this year. They were one of our sponsors. So we now have some Bandit Run chairs available to purchase that are going to be going live on our website here real soon. A variety of styles, but obviously these are pretty killer chairs. They roll super great and the guys love them here in the shop. We got several chairs around the shop the guys are using, which you'll see in a bunch of photos and videos that Dylan's going to post. 78 Trans Am. This is Marty's car out of Iowa. Marty's had this car for a while. He dropped it off with us this spring, gave us a couple of page list of items he wanted to get updated on the car. Everything from a pulley system to getting the thing dialed in, brake-wise, tuning, suspension. We put all the interior back in the car. This car is a very well built, fun to drive, fuel injected, built 400, 5-speed overdrive tranny. This car's got upgraded wheels and tires. It's just a super fun car. I believe this car to be mostly original paint from what I can tell. I know it's an original sheet metal car. Just a super clean original car. Marty's from Iowa. We're just wrapping up on this car. We've been driving it, trying to put a couple hundred miles on it before he comes to pick it up later this week and drive it back home to Iowa, a couple hundred miles. We got tons of stuff going on in the shop right now. This is a one owner 66 Mustang Fastback that we've been restoring for a local client. It's his mother's car. They've had it since new. This is the original color. Now it's finally going together. So we're going to be putting the drivetrain in it, getting the interior in it, trying to get everything done. We don't do a lot of Mustangs, but it's sure nice to have a Fastback in here. They're really sharp cars, and this has got to be one of my favorite colors. We got a one owner 69 two-wheel drive Blazer out of Missouri. We've been doing a complete frame off restoration for the client. This Blazer's just been coming together. Sean's getting all the original vinyl flooring put back in it. All the paint's been done inside and out. Top's been done inside and out. Some original white steely wheels with caps are going to be going on it here hopefully yet this week. And so we'll be updating you guys with some pictures and photos and stuff of this as we get it completed. All right, the 66 Buick convertible. I know you guys have seen it on some past videos. I don't remember exactly what state it was in at the time, but she's almost done. Derek's in the process of getting it ready to run and drive, to go down for exhaust, alignment, and tune. And we're wrapping up some of the interior stuff that Sean and Keenan have been working on as well. It's getting there. We got some new wheels and tires that are going on it as well. Right next to it we have a Survivor 78 Formula that was a local car. Came in, we actually bought it from the owners, sold it to a client of ours that wanted to then fix it up. We've done interior, overdrive, 5-speed manual transmission, wheels and tires, brakes, suspension. We're actually getting ready to throw a blueprint stroker motor in it, get it with a fuel injected Holley carburetor on it so we can get it all dialed in for the owner so he can actually enjoy it for the rest of the summer. So that's going to be happening here in the next week or so. We'll take you on to a few other things going on. 72 Blazer, client from California. We have a Blueprint LS3 engine in this Blazer. Tyler's been getting all the braking, suspension, all the drive line, AC, everything all dialed in and hooked up on this. This is going to be a lot of fun. It's a blue on blue with a white top. It's going to have our custom dash insert with a double DIN nav, the updated controls. Basically everything's pretty much new on this rig. It'll be a fun one. The frame we had off, powder coated it, got it all done. We've got 73 Trans Am for a client of ours out of California, Patrick. We got a couple of his cars in here. Done all the paint, interior, driveline on this car. It's getting final assembly. This is a blue 71 Trans Am. Doing this for a client out of Florida. This is a complete frame off restoration. All the paintwork's done, Lucy blue car, getting all the driveline stuff hooked up. We'll start wiring it, getting everything from carpet, interior, weather stripping, glass. Kind of waiting to get jumping on that. We'll get a few of the other loose ends on some other cars done, and so we can continue on with getting this one assembled. The black 73 here in the middle. For those of you that have been on the Bandit run with us, this is car number 166. It's been with us for a long time. We had originally restored this car for our client years and years ago. When he relocated his family to Texas, I bought the car from him, made it my own, kind of tweaked the car, gave it a bunch of changes back then. This has got Speedway motors, front suspension in it, rack and pinion steering. It's a mini tubbed car, Detroit speed, rear 4-link with custom Cirillo seats. It is a 6-speed manual transmission car with a blueprint 625 horse LS3 stroked motor in it. This car is going to be available for sale within the next week or so. We're wrapping a few details up. I had a formula hood on it for the last several years. We had all of our Bandit Run decals on it. We actually repainted the whole car since the Bandit Run this year. Just kind of going through it, giving it a refresh on anything that it needs. Some new decals on it. It's going to have a shaker hood, a different intake system that we have on order right now, coming in here shortly from Holly. But we'll keep you guys posted. This is a full Pro Touring 73 Trans Am, black on black with some red accents. It'll be for sale on our website here real soon. Here in the body shop, we've got Mopars in here. We're wrapping up our CUDA that's been here for a while. We got a couple little touch-ups we're doing on it. I think the hood was in the other room. You probably saw it. We've got all the driveline done, testing and tuning. Just finally fixed the brakes on it, and she's about ready to go home. We're just trying to get the final exterior cosmetics wrapped up on the car. 71 Challenger, orange. This is a complete frame-off restoration we are doing for a client of ours out of Nebraska here. This was a car that I had owned. I bought it from Richard from Gas Monkey. He had bought, I think, 3 or 4 Challengers at the time. I ended up buying all the cars from him. This one ended up staying, going to a local client, and now we've been doing a frame-off restoration. It's got all new suspension. The motor's been all completely gone through. We fixed all the sheet metal, basically doing everything that she needs, and this is going to be a really pretty car when it's done. But we've got multiple cars here in the shop, in the body shop, that we're trying to do. We have a 79 Trans Am right here. This is Jay's car. He's originally from Nebraska. He travels the world, so I never know where he's going to be, but this was his high school car, I believe. He sold it years ago, but ended up getting it back. We helped ship it up here from Oklahoma for him. We're now taking it through the steps of getting this car restored. This is a factory 400 4-speed numbers matching car. The motor's been rebuilt, kind of built up. Got some performance components and stuff on it. It's a black car with black interior, non-T-top obviously. Got 17-inch wheels with the Nitto tires on it. We're going to redo the paint, just make this car really nice and shiny again. The age of the paint was showing. We also have a Mike's 76 Special Edition Trans Am. That's a 455 4-speed car, T-tops, that we're doing a frame-off restoration on. It's actually through its final stages of primer now, getting ready to go into paint here very soon. Justin and the guys have been trying to get it knocked out. There's always a lot of stuff going on in the body shop. We stay extremely busy over here, but we're rocking stuff out and getting stuff done. We've got several cars in here right now that a good client of ours out of North Dakota has a collection of mostly Trans Ams, mostly low mileage stuff. We've got a couple of his cars in here right now that we're working on. 1994 Trans Am. This car's only got 1,000 miles, I think, on it. Yeah, 1,670 miles on a 94 convertible 25th anniversary Trans Am. Pretty rare car. The radio's out of it right now because it was doing some weird things. It's kind of crazy because with the low miles you would think everything would be okay, but the big thing with low mileage cars is they don't get driven, they're not getting used, and so a lot of times, you know, everything from seals to leaks to some electronical stuff, you're going to have electronic issues you're going to have on these cars. This is also his 80 Trans Am. I believe it's just over 10,000 miles, maybe 13 or something like that. 80 Pace car, automatic T-tops. These cars were loaded from the factory. Very, very nice car. We just got a punch list of items we're trying to help him with on this car as well too, just getting it all checked over, making sure everything's good and ready to go. We have this 73 Trans Am. This is a client of ours out of Arizona. Shipped it up here so that we could get a laundry list of things addressed, from cosmetic stuff to interior to AC, whatever we could do to just make it a more reliable, fun car that he could drive and enjoy and not be worried about taking his family out in it. So we've been putting some miles on it. Josh and the boys have been getting everything kind of dialed in. We did do a bunch of interior work to it, all the stuff that he wanted us to do. And now we're just kind of down to some more mechanical and maybe even just some light cosmetic stuff to get done on the car. Got a 78 Z28. Just got done doing a complete paint job on this, a rust-free car, super nice, original, rust-free metal, doing for our client Mike out of Ohio. So we'll be taking this through some final steps here as we get all the parts put back on it and just finish up all the detailing on it and get it ready to be delivered. Caleb's working on this 77 Special Edition Trans Am. We just got in. It's actually a complete restoration. It's got some upgraded 18-inch wheels and tires on it, updated suspension. We're putting all new interior in it right now. And Caleb's going to kind of take it through the steps, getting it all polished out and detailed and ready to sell. And right behind it's another 77 Special Edition. This is one of the very first cars we ever did a complete frame-off restoration on. Still the same owner. He's from Canada. He shipped it down here this last winter. We pulled his original motor out, rebuilt another 400 motor so we could get him in the 450 to 500 horsepower range. We put a set of our 18-inch billet wheels on it and just kind of addressing any of the little stuff on it. It's obviously a little dusty from sitting in here. We've been test driving it on nice days. I think we updated the gears in the rear end. This is a client of ours car. He's out of Ohio. We put an LS motor in it, whole new fuel system, refreshed the interior, and basically got this car all dialed in so that his son can start driving it here really soon. So this car is going to be shipping out here any day. It's basically done. We put a set of refinished wheels on it, new tires, got all the drive line and stuff done on it. Fixed any metal issues that she needed, but it's mostly original paint that still actually shows really well. It's had some touch-ups here and there over the years, but we just got it all cleaned up. This 77 Trans Am right here, this is one of Patrick's cars out of California. Running it through the paces right now, getting everything mechanically dialed in. We got a bunch of little loose ends that we're trying to get wrapped up. The whole drive line's been all gone through, rebuilt, brakes, everything. I think we refinished the wheels, new tires. We did not paint this car. It already had really nice paint. I think we touched up a few things on it, but just a really, really nice 77 Special Edition that just needed a laundry list of things to get done so that he can drive it out in California. 76 Trans Am, this is another local client's car. So she's a little dusty right now. This is a project that a local customer, he's been restoring himself over the years, and from time to time he'll bring it in for a list of things for us to get done on it. So the reverse lockout gear and the AC is what we're fixing on it right now for him, and a couple other odds and ends. This is a 79 Special Edition 4-speed car. It came out of Louisiana. This car is going up for sale. It is a project car that will run and drive, but it needs a complete restoration. This one is going to be available on our website really soon. It is a client's car that we will be selling on consignment. It was his uncle's car. He inherited after his uncle passed away. We did a bunch of mechanical stuff to get it basically running and driving so that the next person could either take it on or they could have commission us to basically restore the car for them if they wanted us to. We will keep you posted on that one. It's going to be available on the website here real soon. All right, guys, so August 4th and 5th, we're just going to touch on the auction that we are actually helping host in Omaha, Nebraska. It's at the CHI Health Center in downtown Omaha, not too far from the Omaha airport. We have probably about 300 collector cars going to be at the auction. This is the same auction that we've hosted here for the last few years, off and on. Right now, they're still taking consignments, so you can get your car in, get it submitted, and they'll start marketing and advertising it for you. August 4th and 5th in Omaha. You can go to remlingerauctions.com to submit your car, or to even see the cars that are being posted as they come in to be available on the auction block as well. So don't miss out. We will be there. We're going to have a few of our pieces there. I know we have a couple of IROCs and a Trans Am, and I think a Jeep and a couple other things. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, tag, and subscribe, and you need to make sure that you hit the notifications option, so that way when we post new updates, new videos, you will get a notification to go and watch it. Don't miss out on everything we got going on. We got several auctions going on. We have a great collection of cars for sale right now, and we are doing some great promotional pieces every week on individual cars, so don't miss your opportunity to go to our website and register your email address and get notifications when we add new inventory or make changes, and then also our newsletters that go out on a regular basis. Thanks, guys.